rainy day in New York. Think I'll go to Central Park. Buy myself an egg cream and watch a Rocket City dream. Visit boroughs and their delights. I'm a native, I don't have too much pride. Skyscrapers kiss me with shadows deep. Into their dark arms I will simply sleep. Well, it's a rainy day in New York. Into darkness I will creep. Oh, big city dreams, yeah. Lots of people with devious schemes. Yes, it's a rainy day in New York, dampening all my dreams. Maybe I'll take the A train, go uptown and back again. I'll hold my head up high. Maybe I'll find a friend. But the car is so empty. Think I'm getting near the end. So rainy day in New York. Think I've had my fill. Yes, it's a rainy day in New York. This city I've had my fill. Think I'll go back to my room. Maybe I could chill.